Hey everybody, I'm Scott Hardesty, your Nashville real estate consultant. Today we are looking at a just under $3 million new construction property right here in Brentwood, Tennessee, which is just south of Nashville. You're in Williamson County here, so you get to take advantage of some of the best schools in the state. And this is just an absolute beautiful property. I hope you enjoy the tour. You know, if this is your first time to my channel, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're notified every time we put out new content, so you can stay ahead of what's happening in Nashville in this market. We put out content every week, and so hope you enjoy it. Put some comments below on what you think about this home. It's a beautiful new construction, and if you have questions about it or any other properties in Middle Tennessee, reach out and let me know. Let's go. All right, so I want to show you this driveway. They're still doing some work on it here, but you have this wraparound driveway here in the front, and then you can also park behind the home. It has two garages in the back that we'll look at. Beautiful landscaping. The home is just beautiful, as you can see. So this one is listed at $2.995 million, and you have 6 beds, 5.5 baths, 5,460 square feet. Huge house. You have 3 floors. You have a main floor, a second floor, and then a walkout basement. Walkout basement has 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath down there, and then obviously, like I said, it's a walkout. And then you have 1 bedroom on the main floor, and you have 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths on the second floor. So just an absolute beautiful house. So this one was built by Montgomery Classic Construction in Brentwood. Development is called Wildwood, and just an absolute beauty. A couple other things about the house. You do have that walkout basement. You have a screened-in porch off the family room with Trex decking. You have built-in ceiling heaters, outdoor lighting. You have a covered porch and patio. Audio speakers throughout the home. Obviously the wood floors. It's great detail. You have designer lighting and finishes, a gourmet kitchen. You have a walk-in pantry, a wet bar. My favorite, a dog washing station. You have a library or office, plenty of storage, and you have a storm shelter as well. Plenty of room in the back to put a pool in, as you're on almost an acre lot. So enjoy this tour and let me know what you think. man, that was a lot of walking. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful home. And, you know, if this is not your price range, if you're in a different range, please reach out to me. You know, I'm here to help. I get out here and look at properties almost every single day and would love to help you on your next move here in Middle Tennessee. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this home. Is it overpriced? Is it underpriced? Do you like the designs and all the light fixtures, all those things, the full court basketball court in the back, pretty awesome. But I'd love to hear what you think about this home. You know, again, feel free to reach out. I'm Scott Hardesty, and I will see you next time on That Nashville Life. Later.